So a progression to get some of the lateral abdominals working would be kind of like a side plank. So we're going to show a progression where it's a half side plank to a full side plank. You know, in previous videos I always talk about really you can fine tune it to do it based off of what you're trying to get to, you know, towards your goals. So with the side plank you can make it a hip exercise, you can make it a back exercise. Obviously it's hard to fully isolate and you know, just get one muscle. It's a co-contraction between a lot of your core muscles, but you can definitely get one to work more than the other. So for a half side plank, I'd actually get you the easiest position would kind of be the knees up like this. As you get better with it, you can start to bring your knees further and further back in more of a hip extended position. It gets a little bit hard to contract your abs in this position because now your hip flexors kind of get engaged and almost inhibits your abdominals a little bit. And then once you get it all pretty much all the way back, and that's going pretty well for you, you're getting the right abdominals to kick in, or again whatever your goals are. And in this case, we're going to try to get the lateral abdominals. At that point, then you can go into a full plank, a full side plank. So I'm just going to show the half side plank right now. So I'm going to make sure that I get the muscle that I want to get engaged. So in this case, I'm going to get some of the lateral abdominals engaged. So I'm going to tighten it up there. And then as I go up, I'm going to use that same muscle to kind of push me up. So I feel most of it right here right now. Again, I feel a little bit of the hip abductors. You know, I'm sure you're going to feel a little bit of the lats because you're pushing up off your elbow, but the way to minimize that is the more you isolate the muscle that you want to get, so in the lateral abdominals, the less I'm going to be feeling on the lat, and the glutes as well. So you can kind of progress that as you feel like you're, you know, based off how you're doing. As you do it well in one position, it's time to move up to something a little bit harder.